what's up everyone? Mr. Lagalag here, and in today's video we're gonna do an unboxing and installation of this fuel filter I just bought online from Shopee. Stay tuned and let's see what's inside. Let me show you a closer look on this one. Ito yung pinaka main logo ng Spirit Beast. So by the way guys, nabili ko siya for about 666 sa Shopee. Tignan natin kung maganda siya. So let me open this box. So sorry, I'm just using my left hand to unbox this and the right hand is holding this camera. So yun. So ito na ata yung mismong filter. It comes with a hose. Sorry for that. So ito yung hose. And this one is the fuel filter. So okay. So ito siya guys, Spirit Beast. So it has a little bit of design on it, and it has a clear glass over here. This one is all made out of aluminum. Let's take a closer look so you guys could see the filter inside. So this is the best zoom in I could do for you guys. So and the holes are so little that they would only let the liquid come out and not anything else. So talagang solid pang filter siya. So this is the top part. So the top part would go to your fuel pump or tank, and the bottom goes to this one, which is this one. The bottom goes to the carburetor, and yung inlet diameter niya is 5.5 mm, and madali lang siyang linisin. Unlike this one is hindi siya disposable, so pwede mo siyang linisin lang after siguro. Mapapansin mo naman kapag marumian, pag medyo maitim na siguro yan, kasi dyan naman lahat mapupunta yung mga kalakalawang and yung mga dumi na manggagaling sa tangke, sasalain yan. So siguro hangin lang yan para matanggal yung dumi. So ayun. So hindi ko gagamitin tong hose. Ang gagamitin ko is itong nylon braided hose na nabili ko sa Shopee din siya. So this one is matibay, solid talaga siya guys. So pang matagalan, unlike itong isa, matibay din naman siya, pero reserve lang muna natin to. Ito na lang muna yung gagamitin natin para sa build ng motorcycle natin na si Keeway Cafe Racer 152. So ayun guys, let's put this back together and install it in my motorcycle. I'm done installing the fuel filter. So naka-install na siya using this braided hose. And check natin. Okay. ayun guys, ito yung pinalitan kong fuel filter ngayon at ito yung mga dati. I don't recommend this one kasi napakaraming leak nito, napakahirap i-set up. Siguro yung stainless yung loob, okay yun, pero ito I don't recommend this one. Ito naman is okay lang siya sa simula, pero after a few weeks yung filter sa loob is natatanggal. So mas okay pa rin yung stainless na filter sa loob. Ito kasi napunit yung filter niya sa loob, so tinapon ko na. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much.